Hello and welcome back, everybody. I'm Dr. Tabor Smith, and in this workshop, we are going to talk about the power of corrective care. In our office, we practice chiropractic corrective care. This is different than just pain management. In pain management, they're just trying to cover up or mask the pain. Sometimes it might be an adjustment. A lot of times it's drugs. A lot of times it's shots or surgeries. Those types of things just mask your symptoms instead of getting to the real root of the problem. In our office, we want to correct that cause, rebuild the structure inside your body, and help you maintain those results. We have a 3-part approach that will get you long-term, lasting relief and create a healthier, stronger you. We combine not only chiropractic, the pain relieving adjustment, it does help you feel better when you get adjusted, but we focus on spinal x-rays. So we're adjusting based off those x-rays to actually correct the alignment, to restore mobility. Then we're building structural rehab around that to strengthen those areas around the spine and create real joint stability in and around the areas where you are having issues and problems, so that we not only correct that issue, but it doesn't come back, and we help you to maintain that through spinal hygiene, regular wellness visits inside of our office. Let's dive in. Let me share with you the power of corrective care. See, the problem with most people's back pain, neck pain, headaches, even other health issues like organ issues or problems, immune system function, a lot of different types of metabolic issues starts with a structural breakdown inside of your body. Poor posture, injuries that you've had over years, daily stresses, sedentary lifestyle, having to sit at a desk job all day long, be in front of computers a lot, cell phones, driving, all of those things can cause your spine and joints to lose their alignment, lose their mobility, and get stuck and fixated and just become unstable over time. Those misalignments increase stress on the joints and the discs and the nerves, not only causing pain and dysfunction in the body, but then speeding up degenerative disc disease and degenerative joint disease, osteoarthritis inside of the body, creating muscle imbalances that create even more instability. And then you begin to have pain on movement, restricted movements where you just feel tight all the time, and your body continues to try to adapt to that and just continues to break down. You don't heal inside of a broken, unstable environment. And you can keep taking pills, you can keep trying to get those cortisone shots or even having surgeries. But you need a better way. You need a way to restore the structure that the way your body was designed to be. And that's exactly what we do with our 3-part approach: correct, rebuild, and maintain. We use chiropractic to restore joint alignment and motion. It's vital, it's important, and the way we do it, where we take pre and post x-rays, allows us to know with confidence where you need to be adjusted, how you need to be adjusted, how we can relieve pressure along your spine and your joints and restore that proper alignment and restore and improve your movement, and then ultimately maximizing the function of your nervous system. Your nervous system is your brain, your spinal cord, and all those nerves in your body. That's the communication inside of your body. It controls everything from how you feel, how you move, to how you heal. It's literally the master system of the body. And when we restore structure through the chiropractic adjustment, we're relieving irritation and pressure from those nerves and helping your body heal and function the way it was designed to heal and function in the first place. But it's not just an adjustment that just goes back out of alignment immediately after you adjust it, because we're coupling that chiropractic adjustment, that very specific and effective chiropractic adjustment, with structural rehab around it. We rebuild and strengthen those muscles and those ligaments so that it holds that good alignment, and that pressure that we've been able to get off of there stays off of there because stability is restored. So we correct those muscle imbalances that we find. We build stronger muscles in through those areas and restore proper movement patterns with specific and customized structural rehabilitation for everyone. So it's not just physical therapy, it's not just rehab, it's structural rehab based on your x-rays, based on your exam findings, and built for you. And then the last part is very, very important so that you can keep the correction that we've been able to give you, and that is spinal hygiene. It helps you to maintain and protect your spine, and we show you simple daily habits and tools that can keep your spine healthy and keep you going for the long term. Together, these three pillars create lasting relief and a stronger, healthier you. And so you get results in our office where you maybe didn't get results in other clinics. Corrective care creates transformation inside of your body. Less pain, more mobility, better posture and alignment, stronger muscles and joints, improved movement and function, greater stability and balance, more energy and confidence because you can actually make it through your day without pain, you can move without pain, you can do what you need to do, and you just really create that healthier spine for a lifetime. That's what we're here for. That's our mission. And we don't just treat symptoms. We change lives. Let me give you an example, an actual case study here. This is Walter. Walter came in. His x-ray, his first x-ray was that one on your left, looking at the screen left, right, where it says before. That's the first x-ray. That's the lower back. You can see the hips, and then you can see the spine as it comes up. Look at that tremendous misalignment that was going on in through his lower back. And he was having back pain and extreme low back pain, hip pain, even some leg pain as well. And so we put him through a corrective care plan or a process that improved alignment, reduced stress, and helped the spine not only correct alignment, but function better, mobility, stability, strength. And if you realize your body has this amazing, incredible ability to heal that flows through your nerves. When the spine is out of alignment, it's compressing and smashing nerves and interfering with nerve flow, your body can't heal the way it was designed to heal. But when we give it the right care and we get it corrected and we correct that alignment and strengthen those areas, then the communication, the information, and the power that's inside of your body, that healing power, can flow, and then we can begin to see amazing things. And Walter's doing great right now. He still comes in periodically for his wellness care, and he's doing great. Look, I'm telling you, you have to maintain things throughout life. Walter doesn't live in a little padded room and have breakfast in bed every morning. He lives a normal life just like you do and has stress every single day. So once we correct a very big problem, we want to teach you how to maintain it for a lifetime so that it doesn't come back, so that you can continue to do the important things that you have to do every day in your life. So number 6, last slide I have for you here, is corrective care right for you? Look, if you're suffering with chronic back pain, neck pain, sciatica, pinched nerves, poor posture, joint stiffness, limited mobility, recurring injuries, if you want to improve your performance, if you're an athlete, if you want lasting results, not temporary relief, then corrective care is for you. And once we get that corrected as much as possible, we need to move you into wellness care as well. We need to continue to maintain this. So every patient in our office begins with a consultation. We sit down, we listen to your story, we take thorough notes. We're going to go through an exam. We find the real cause of your issues and problems, and then we create that personalized plan that we build for you based on your goals. So I want to encourage you, schedule your consultation today and take that first step towards a better way to heal. If you are already a patient in our office and you're thinking about wellness care or trying some different types of therapies, or maybe you've had an injury or a problem that came back and we need to get you back into a little bit of a corrective care phase again, we have a really big promotion going on right now, Christmas in July. It's only good for this week and this week only, and then it's gone and you won't see these prices again. Make sure you contact your office, talk to the front desk, and get started on a Christmas in July package so we can get you the care that you need. Thanks, everybody. Check out our website, abetterwaychiropractic.com, and I'll see you on the next one.